we're back in Staples, Minnesota. This one has a really cool shave and a haircut horn salute. They're not even supposed to blow their horn in Staples, so that conductor was really great, and he was, or engineer, I'm sorry, and he was driving a kind of a retro, the old paint scheme with the fake Warbonnet on it. And I got some GoPro footage in here as well from my friend Zach, and I'll put his YouTube handle in the description so you can check out his channel. He's got a lot of good stuff there too. And then the ground footage and audio was provided by my partner in crime, Katie. So I hope you enjoy this video. Oh, and I should add that Staples, it actually began as a sawmill town in like 1889. That year, the Northern Pacific Railway rerouted its main line over to there, and it's been a major hub from St. Paul to Fargo ever since. This depot was built in 1909 by the Northern Pacific Railway, and it was designed in a classic revival style by architect Charles Reed and Ellen Stem. So, if you liked the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. There's a lot more to come.